Hi, this is Tammy. I'm back and now I'm going to show you how to set up the calendar portion of these pages. So the first thing we're going to do is go into our resource palette and just stick some background paper. We're going to hit browse and select cardstock up here and open. Go along to the bottom and just stick some Whisper White into this first one and hit OK, and some very vanilla into the second one and hit OK. So we want to put the calendar days and months right here. So how we're going to do that is go over to the Design Center and select Calendar and add Month Calendar. So that puts it right in the middle. Of course, that's not what we want. We're going to double click on that so that we can edit it. And that brings up this little calendar settings. And up here you've got some tabs. So we're going to hit header first. We're not going to have it print the month and the year because we're going to do some fancy ones on tabs and things. But we do want weekday names. So we're going to pick a better font. We're going to go down here to, let's see, I use KG 1000 years. I'll give you a link to that. It's a free download. We're going to keep the size at 12. Although if you use the other size calendars, the Stampin' Up! Version, the 5.5 by 6.5, I found that if you change this to 16, it worked a lot better. The color for January, we are going to change to soft suede. So we'll just hit OK. That's the weekday names. So we also need to come in here and change the numbers exactly the same way. So we're going to go down here and pick KG 1000 years and soft suede. OK and OK. All right, now we just want to shrink it down a little bit by using our arrows. Shrink it a little more than that. We'll stick it over here on the calendar. You can use your keyboard arrow keys to kind of center it a little bit. Maybe mine was a little bit bigger than that. Okay, and then if we go back over here to the calendar, we can actually select January 2014, and it will just automatically put the dates in the right places. Okay, so now I'm just going to copy and paste this onto the other calendar, and we're going to change it to February. And as we build each one of these, we're probably going to change the background colors and the color of the calendar numbers, but I'm just not going to worry about that right now. I just wanted the main setup so that we can now come up here and insert a duplicate page. I'm going to go ahead and keep doing this until we have 6 of these total, so we have all 12 months. Because what I want you to do at this point is go through, oops, I forgot to do one more. Wasn't counting right there. Okay, now we've got 6. You can see them all down here. I'm going to highlight the second one, and then we just need to click on each one, and we can go in here and change it to March and change it to April, and just keep doing that all the way through so you don't forget to set each one to the right date. Okay, so go back to January, and I think I'm going to stop right there, and the next video will work on actually decorating January.